All right, get excited. It's time for our first assignment of the section covering table relationships. And this time we've heard from Dana Modell, who is an analyst for the AdventureWorks team, and she sent us this email with subject line, "Need a favor." So Dana says, "Hey there, Ethan shared the data model you've been working on, and we might have an issue. Last night I left my laptop open, and my cat Dennis somehow got his paws on our model. Now all the relationships are gone. Could you please rebuild the model, including all three product tables? I owe you one, Dana." All right, so let's see what we can do to help Dana out here. Our objectives are going to be to delete all of our existing table relationships just to get back to a clean slate. Then we're going to create a star schema by creating relationships between the sales, calendar, customer, product, and territories table. From there, we'll connect or wire up all three of our product tables, the product, subcategory, and category tables using a snowflake schema. And then finally, to check our work, we're going to use the matrix visual in the report view to confirm that we can filter our order quantity values using fields from any of our dimension tables. Good luck.